Dear students, after a long interval, we are meeting on another, not physically but online, which is the success of the present government of Bangladesh, led by our Honorable Prime Minister, Her Excellency Sheikh Hasina. This is the achievement of Digital Bangladesh. In addition to this, I would like to offer my thanks and gratitude to our Honorable Head Teacher for extending his cooperative hands for providing necessary equipments. Dear students, how are you? Expecting your sound and safe health in the present pandemic situation. This is Selina. I welcome all of you to my online class. Today I am going to discuss about prefix. Now let's what is prefix? Prefix is a specific group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change the meaning of the word. Prefix is a specific group of letters added to the beginning of a word to change the meaning of the word. Let us see some examples. An, in, im, ir, il, miss, this and non. Happy is a word when an used before happy, it becomes unhappy. Unhappy. Unhappy means the person who is not happy. As for example, he leads a very unhappy life. Unhappy life. Next, certain is a word when used an before certain, it becomes uncertain. Uncertain. Uncertain means unsure. How long? As for example, how long COVID-19 in our country, how long COVID-19 is exist? How long COVID-19 will exist in our country? is uncertain. In, active is a word. When used in before active, it becomes inactive. Inactive means lazy. Example, an inactive person is the burden of the society. And then visible. When used in prefix before visible, it becomes invisible. Invisible. Invisible means things that is not seen. That is not seen. Coronavirus. Coronavirus is invisible. Invisible. Im. Im is a prefix. Now, mortal. Mortal is a word. When im is used before mortal, it becomes immortal. Immortal. Immortal means everlasting. Everlasting. For example, man is not immortal. Man is not immortal. Next, patient. Patient. When I use prefix im before patient, it becomes impatient. Impatient means not patient. Impatient, example, impatient people never succeed in life. Then I use miss. Miss is prefix and use is a word. When I use miss before use, it becomes misuse. Misuse means use in the wrong way. Use in the wrong way. Example, students should not misuse Mobile phone. Mobile phone. Then farsoon. When I use miss before farsoon, it becomes miss farsoon. Miss fortune. That means bad luck. For example, misfortune, fortune never comes alone. There is a proverb. Now, honest. Honest is a word when this prefix used before honest, it becomes dishonest. Dishonest. Dishonest means corrupted person. Corrupted person. Dishonest person, for example, dishonest person is hated by all. And ill, legal is a word when ill used before legal, it becomes illegal. Illegal means forbidden, forbidden by law. T-shirts should not indulge in should not indulge in teacher should not indulge in illegal activities. No, sense is a word when prefix non is used before sense, it becomes nonsense. Nonsense. Nonsense means devoid of common sense. He is a nonsense. A smoke is a word when non-smoke, when non used before a smoke, non is a prefix, and when use non before a smoke, it becomes non-smoke. Non-smoke means without smoking. Smoking. As for example, the train is Non-smoking. Non-smoking. Dear students, that's all for today. Thanks a lot for joining my class. See you in the next class. Be safe. Allah Hafiz.